What's up, y'all? It's Jimmy coming to you guys with another video. Before we get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, subscribe. And when you guys hit subscribe, please make sure you guys are hitting that notification button. So getting right into the video, I have a quick little discussion video for y'all. I know I've definitely talked about this shoe before. The shoe that we're going to be diving a little bit deeper into today is the Cool Gray 11s that are going to be coming out this holiday season for 2021. Which typically is right before Christmas, so we can be expecting these to come out around December time. But the reason why I'm making this follow-up video is because there have been official pictures of the shoes that have dropped, and I'm not going to get too hyped up without showing you guys the actual pictures, but I'm telling you right now that these shoes are on point, they're proper. But without getting y'all too hyped before I even show you guys the actual pictures and what we're going to look at, I'm telling you guys Jordan Brand did this shoe proper. It looks very, very close to the OG pair that came out in 1996, so I am pretty stoked to get this pair in hand. But without further ado, let's go take a look at these pictures. So I'm gonna read you guys a little article. This one is from Sneaker Bar Detroit. I'll link it down below in the comments if you guys are interested in reading up this article yourself. This came out on July 29th, so a week or so ago, but you know, these are the most up-to-date pictures they have on the Cool Gray 11s. I'm just looking at that first picture right there. I'm telling you guys, the shape, the color, the blue tint on the bottom, everything is on point. You know, this shoe is definitely nothing new, nothing crazy that we haven't seen before. You know, I think this is their third time retroing the shoe, or their second time. I think it was the OG 2010 and now 2021, so it's been about like 10 years every single time. But I'll say this retro here compared to the 2010 pair is absolutely phenomenal. I mean, looking at the same picture there, absolutely beautiful. And then going down, the one thing I will say, and you know, maybe I'm just not used, or I haven't owned a pair of Air Jordan 11s in a while, I feel like the toe box does look a little clunky, but I mean, they are 11s and they are high top Jordans, so that is kind of to be expected, right? You know, Jordans aren't really sleek and slender. They're typically kind of bulky, bigger, high top shoes. But I'll say the one thing I really do love, you know, just scrolling down, looking at these pictures, is how thick the rope laces are. So that's one thing I never really liked about Air Jordan 11s from like 2010 till like 2014, I'll say. I feel like the rope laces were never the proper thickness. I know you could go and buy like aftermarket rope laces, but that's one thing you shouldn't have to do, right? Like if I'm paying $200, $220, $240 for a pair of shoes, that's retail, you know, I would hope to think that Jordan Brand would do their best to give me the product of what they're trying to aim for. And I'll say for this pair here, they're doing that exactly. I mean, just taking a look at these pictures, you guys, like the gray is really solid and really on point. And I'll say even the shape of the shoe, like, I mean, looking at that sole picture of the right pair there, like the overall shape of the shoe is really on point. The Jumpman looks good. The nubuck, Durabuck, suede, whatever they're gonna use on top. I'm pretty sure it's a nubuck or a Durabuck that's up right top on the lighter shade of gray, but that looks solid. And then, you know, you have a picture of the sole right there. Icy blue sole with that carbon fiber shank plate, I think that's what they call it. And then you have your Jumpman Jordan right there on the third lace loop. That used to be how everyone could tell that their shoes were fake. Typically, all the fake shoes, like that bar right there that you guys are looking at, would come up to the fourth lace hole. You guys can see this is another update that was on July 24th. These are in-hand photos of the Cool Gray 11, so this isn't the first time we received updated pictures, but I'll say those last ones were definitely the best. And I'll say here, this right here, the picture of like the inner sole is the absolutely perfect indicator that Jordan Brand is doing the shoe proper. Like the patent leather looks super, it's like a high cut. The shape of the shoe is solid. I mean, just overall, the shoe looks really good. I'll say in this picture here, where he's holding the shoe like that, the patent leather, like the gray, looks a little bit too dark. It's kind of thrown me off, but nothing too bad. The one thing I do like, and I hope this is consistent for all pairs, is if you guys look right there where the toe cap is, I'm liking how it's not like a see-through and it's completely milky, cloudy up until the very top. And that used to be another way how you could tell your shoes, or specifically your Air Jordan 11s, were fake or real. All the fake ones would have a clear see-through part right there. All the real ones would be very cloudy, very filled in. So I'm glad that Jordan Brand is still sticking to that. And if you were to ask me, do I think these shoes are going to be hyped? I'm going to flat out say, honestly, probably not, just because I feel like Jordan 11s, Jordan 6s, besides the Travis Scotts, you know, they haven't really taken off like we expected them to. The shoe that I think is going to pop off next, at least for Air Jordans, is going to be the Air Jordan 4s and maybe the 3s. The 4s have definitely picked up a lot of traction already, but I think those might be the next hyped Air Jordan shoe, besides the 1s, of course. But yeah, I think this shoe is going to be a must cop for any die-hard Jordan Brand collector. You know, if you guys already have the 2010, maybe this might not be worth it. If you have the OGs already, those might be separating, so it might be time for you to pick up this pair, put those in a box, put those on ice, and now you have a pair that you could wear for basically damn near 10 years before they start to separate. Let me know what you guys think about the Cool Gray 11s down below in the comments. For myself, I'm gonna go ahead and say those are definitely a cop. I'm not gonna say double up, triple up, or anything like that, because although they are very nice, I really wouldn't put them on that caliber, just because we also don't know what Jordan Brand is going to be releasing in the upcoming months. But definitely a cool shoe to look forward to, one that I'm excited to get in hand and show you guys. And it's going to wrap up the video. Until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.